Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make chicken biryani. So for today's chicken biryani, I'm going to take 1 kg chicken. So I have kept the chicken here. So for that we need some garam masala and some 8 to 9 cardamom, 6 to 7 of cloves and bay leaves. And this is nutmeg, it is called javitri also. And this is cinnamon sticks. Yeah, you can check once again: cardamom, cloves, bay leaves. This is star, I have taken only little bit. And this is nutmeg, javitri. Even this is very strong, so I'm going to take very little, but it gives very nice aroma. And this is cinnamon stick, and that is shajira. So green masala also we will take. For that, pudina and coriander leaves and green chilies and lemon. So for marination, I'm going to take ginger garlic paste. First ginger garlic paste we have to take. Then I'll add salt to it according to taste. But actually salt is required little more. And turmeric powder we need. Then I'll add a garam masala which I have showed you. I made a powder of it. And that powder we are going to add here. You can put the whole thing, but little I have kept so that I can put at the end. This is red chili powder. I use the plain red chili powder, not masala one. Yeah, mix it well. It's good to mix with the hand actually. And now I'm going to add a cup of curds, which is very important for biryani. And green masala, as I have already showed you, the mint, coriander, and green chilies. These I'm going to add and mix it properly. Keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes or till the rice is ready. So for onion also, 4 to 5 onion, we will fry it in the oil. Now I'm going to cook rice. First we have to boil water. In that I'm going to add salt, little bit of ginger garlic paste and cinnamon and little green masala and bay leaves. That's all. Let it boil. Then I'm going to add the soaked rice. Here I'm using long grains, that is, you can call it as dilli rice or any long grains. So the rice you must check whether it is cooked. 80% rice should be cooked. Now I'm adding oil, the fried onion, little they have become more brown. Yeah. Now marinated chicken I'm going to add in it. Then 1 tomato is enough. So let it cook for a while. Then see, it should not be overcooked also, because again we are going to add rice and then cook. I'm adding little bit of rice water in that which we have kept it. Yeah, this is also water. Just check it whether it is cooked properly. Yeah, now I'm going to add the rice. 80% cooked rice it is. Yeah, spread it properly. Then I'm going to add the remaining oil. Then this is lemon juice. In that I'm going to add color, saffron color it is. Then the remaining onion have burnt little, and the rice water and ghee, 2 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon, and this is green masala again. Then cover it properly. and the tasty biryani is ready to eat. Thank you.